students. Hope you all are fine at home. For today's warm-up activity, shall we say a rhymes? Okay, shall we start a number rhymes? Number 1, let's have some fun. Number 2, what shall we do? Number 3, set the birds free. Number 4, let's eat some more. Number 5, let's go for a drive. Number 6, let me fix. Number 7, God lives in heaven. Number 8, let's close the gate. Number 9, are you fine? Today we are going to see numbers and their names from 1 to 9. Okay? What we are going to see? Numbers and their names from 1 to 9. Okay? Shall we see? See, what is this? 1. O-N-E. 1. Next, 2. T-W-O. 2. Next, 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Next, 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Next, 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Next, 6. S-I-X. 6. Next, 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Next, 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Next, 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Shall we read once again? See, what is this? 1. O-N-E. 1. 2. T-W-O. 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Next, 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Next, 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 6. S-I-X. 6. Next, 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Next, 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Next, 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Now all of you clear about numbers from 1 to 9? Now we are going to count these images, count these pictures and write here how many pictures are there. Shall we count, students? See here, how many apples are there? Say, yes, that is 1 apple. See, how many apples are there? 1 apple. Next, we are going to count trees. See here, how many trees are there? Shall we count? 1, 2. So, how many trees are there? 2 trees. So, here I am going to write as 2. Next, see here, there are gift boxes. Now, we are going to count these gift boxes, okay? See here, 1, 2, 3. So, how many gift boxes are there? 3. So, now I am going to write here 3. Okay? Next, what is this? Parts. So, we are going to count these parts. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, how many parts are there? 4. So, I am going to write as 4. Okay? See here, what is this? Chocolates. So, I am going to count these chocolates. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many chocolates are there? 5 chocolates. So, I am going to write here as 5. Next, see here, there are many beautiful flowers. So, I am going to count these flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, totally 6 flowers are there. I am going to write as 6. Okay. Next, what is this? House. So, I am going to count this house. Let me start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many houses are there? 7 houses. So I am going to write here number 7. Now see here, there are mangoes. So I am going to count these mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many mangoes are there? 8 mangoes. So I am going to write here 8. Next see here, there are many balls. Now I am going to count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are 9 balls. I am going to write here as 9. See here, now we have counted all the images and written their number. Okay students, now we are going to fill up the missing numbers. We have already learned here numbers from 1 to 9. Shall we once recall it? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here some of the numbers are missing. So we are going to fill the missing numbers. Okay. See here, what is this? 1. So next number is, after 1 what will come? As 2. Next see here, they have already given number 3. Next after 3 what number will come? Yes, 4 will come. See, I have written 4. Next we have 5. After 5 what number will come? Say, yes, 6 will come. 6, then here we have 7. After 7 what number will come? Yes, 8. So I have written 8. Last 9. So all the numbers we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Next we are going to see the numbers. They have given numbers. So we are going to write their number names. So shall we write? What number we have here? Yes, we have number 4. So I am going to write in letters. Okay. F-O-U-R. 4. See here, we have the number 4. So I have written the number name as 4. Next what number we have? 8. So E-I-G-H-T. 8. See here, we have the number 8. So I have written the number name as 8. Next number what we have? 3. So I am going to write T-H-R-E-E. 3. See here, we have the number 3 and I have written the number name 3. Next number what we have? S. 7. So I am going to write S-E-V-E-N. 7. See here, we have the number 7 and I have written the number name as 7. Okay students, once again we will see these numbers and their names from 1 to 9. See here, we have 1. So O-N-E. 1. 2. See here, T-W-O. 2. Here 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Next 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Next 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Next 6. S-I-X. 6. Next 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Next 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Next 9. N-I-N-E. we are going to see activity of counting numbers. First, we have to count how many fish are there. Okay, shall we count? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many fish are there? Yes, 4. So I am going to write here 4. So there are 4 fish. Next, we are going to count how many balls are there. So see here, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many balls are there? Tell me. Yes, there are 5 balls. Next, we are going to count the cars. See here, shall we count? 1, 2. So there are 2 cars. So I am going to write 2. Next, see here, what is it? Frog. Shall we count? See, only we have 1 frog. So I am going to write number 1. Next, see here, these are smiley faces. Now we are going to count this. Shall we start counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many smiley faces are there? Yes, 6. So I am going to write it as 6. Next, see here, there are trees. So I am going to count this. 1, 2, 3. So how many trees are there? Yes, 3 trees. So I am going to write it as 3. Okay students, now we are going to see less and more. What we are going to see? Less and more. Now we are going to count these butterflies and write how many butterflies are there in these circles. Okay. Now shall we count? See here. Here we are going to count 1. This is 2. This is 3. And here 4. So totally how many butterflies are there? Yes, we have 4 butterflies. This side we have 4. Now we are going to count this side. See here, how many butterflies? 1, 2. So here we have 2 butterflies. So I am going to write here as 2. See here, we have 4 butterflies and here we have only 2 butterflies. So now we are going to say which side has more butterflies? 4 or 2? Yes, 4 is greater than 2. So here this side we have more butterflies. So here I am going to write more. See here. And here we have only 2 butterflies. So here I am going to write less. So see here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 butterflies. So here we have written more. But here we have only 2 butterflies. So I have written less. Next we are going to count how many houses are there. See, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally we have 8 houses. So I have written 8 in this circle. Now see this side. How many houses we have? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 houses. So I have written 3 in this circle. See which side has more houses? Yes, this side. We have here 8 houses. So I have written more here. So this side you see we have only 3 houses. So I am going to write less. Now do you understand, ma? Less and more. When we have lesser in number, that is less, and we have here greater numbers, that is 4 butterflies, so I have written more. So when we have less numbers we write less, and when we have more numbers we write more. Next we are going to see big and small. See here I have an elephant pictures. Now we are going to see these two elephants and say which is bigger in size and which is smaller in size. See here, which is big, this one or this one? Yes, this one is big. So I am going to write big. So this is big elephant and this one is small. So I am going to write S-M-A-L-L. So I have written here small. See here, this is big elephant and this is small elephant. Likewise, if you have given any objects, you have to see which is bigger and which is smaller. Okay? Shall we once recall it? See here, first we saw less and more. First we have counted butterflies on both the sides and written here as 4 and here as 2. So here we have 4 butterflies, so here it is more. Here we have 2 butterflies, so here we have written less. Next we have counted house. We have counted here 8 houses and here we have counted 3 houses. So here we have 8, so I have written more. Here we have 3, only 3, so I have written less houses. Next we saw big and small. We have the pictures of elephants. So we have seen which is big and which is small. See, this is very big. Big means large. It is very large. So here we have written big and here we have written small. Children, now we are going to see one activity. The activity is about which side we have more objects. For that we have to count the number of objects and find out which side we have more objects. So shall we start counting? See here, first we have ice creams. So shall we count the ice creams? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this side how many ice creams are there? Yes, we have 6 ice creams. Next we are going to count this side. See here, 1, 2. So how many ice creams are there? 2. So I am going to write 2. Now we have to compare these two. Which side we have more ice creams? This side or this side? Yes, this side we have more ice creams. So I am going to write it as more. Okay, shall we move to next one? See here, we have here butterflies. Now we are going to count these butterflies. See here, 1, 2. So how many butterflies are there? 2. I am going to write it as 2. This side we will count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many butterflies are there? Yes, we have 4 butterflies. See here, compare these two. Which side we have more butterflies? Yes, this side. So I am going to write it as more. Now we have here many trees. We are going to count these trees. See here, 1, 2, 3. So we have here 3 trees. Then here see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many trees are there? 6 trees. I am writing as 6. See here, compare these two and say which side we have more trees. This side or this side? Yes, we have here more trees. So I am writing as more. See here, we have many oranges. Now we are going to count these orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many oranges are there? Yes, we have 6 oranges. This side see, 1, 2, 3. So how many oranges are there? 3. So I am writing as 3. Now we are going to compare these two and say which side we have more orange. Yes, this side. So I am writing as more. See here, we have many stars. We will count the stars. See here, 1, 2, 3. So I am writing as 3. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have here 9 stars. See here, which side we have more stars? Yes, this side. So I am writing as more. See here, we have many pencils. Shall we start counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pencils. This side see, 1, 2. We have 2 pencils. Compare these two. Which side we have more pencils? Yes, this side. So I am writing as more. Next, we are going to count triangles. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 triangles. See this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 triangles. See here, which side we have more triangles? Yes, this side. So I am going to write it as more. Now we are going to count the number of balls. Shall we start? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many balls are there? Yes, 4 balls. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many balls are there? Yes, we have 9 balls. Compare these two. Which side we have more balls? Yes, this side. So I am going to write it as more. Next, see here, we are going to count the number of circles. Shall we start? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many circles are there? 4 circles. See this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we have 12 circles. See here, which side we have more circles? This side or this side? Yes, this side. So I am going to write here as more. Now see here, we have many leaves. We are going to count these leaves. 1, 2. So how many leaves are there? Yes, 2 leaves. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many leaves are there? Yes, we have 6 leaves. Compare these two. Which side we have more leaves? Yes, this side. So I am going to write here as more. Now do you all understand, ma? When we have more number of objects, we say it as more, and where we have less number of objects, we say it as less. Okay? Now we are going to see small and big. See here, we have many objects. So we are going to find which is big and which is small. First we have a fish. So see here, we have 2 fish, right? Which one is small and which one is big? See? Yes, this is big. So I am going to write it as big. See, and see this side, we have a small fish. So I am going to write it as small. Next, what we have? Chocolate. See here, we have 2 chocolates. Say this. Which is bigger and which is smaller? This one is small. Yes. So I am going to write it as small. And this is big. So I am going to write it as big. See here, next we have two triangles. Say this is big or small? Yes, this is small. So I am going to write as small, and this is big. So I am writing big. Next, see here, we have ice creams. So we are going to find which is small and which is big. See this? This is small or big? Yes, it is big. So I am writing as big. See here, this is small. So I am writing small. Next we have a beautiful cap. See here, which is small and which is big? This is big. Okay. So I am going to write as big. This one is small. So I am writing as small. Students, today we are going to see how to write Max class work note. To write, you have to take a note like this. And in the first page, you have to write your name and class. You have to turn the page and you have to start beginning from this page. First, you have to write date. D-A-T-E. Date and Roman letter 1. Roman letter 1 is numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. And A-N-D. And there. T-H-E-I-R. Their names. N-A-M-E-S. Names from F-R-O-M. From 1 to T-O-2 9. So, shall we write numbers and their names? First one, 1. Have to write 1 and put hyphen. For writing 1, you have to begin with capital O and E. 1. Next, 2. You have to leave one line and start in the third line. Write 2 hyphen. Now for writing 2 in letters, you have to begin with capital T, W, O. 2. Then again you have to leave one line and write in the next line 3 hyphen T in capital letter and H R E E. 3. Next again you have to leave one line and write 4. Then hyphen. Then you have to write with capital F and small letter O U R. 4. Next again you have to leave one line space and write 5 hyphen capital letter F I V E. 5. Then again you have to leave one line and write 6 hyphen and capital letter S I X. 6. Then again leave one line and write 7. Put hyphen and S in the capital S E V E N. 7. Next you have to write 8. 8 hyphen E in the capital letter E I G H T. 8. Now for 9 you come to the top and write 9 hyphen N in the capital letter N I N E. 9. Now, do you understand, children? Once again, shall we see the number and their names? 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Students, for your classwork note, you have to write numbers and their names from 1 to 9. Okay, students? Children, for your home assignment, you have to complete page number from 10 to 15. Okay, students? Thank you.